Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking core settings so you can control light. Put the camera in manual, set ISO to a clean base like 100 or 200, and pick an aperture that matches your depth of field intent. Once done, meter the scene and note the shutter speed the camera suggests. You will use that as a reference. Make sure to enable exposure preview if available. This shows how adjustments change brightness. Adjust aperture first to set creative depth, because it affects light and focus. You now balance shutter speed with aperture to achieve both exposure and motion control. Start by choosing a shutter speed that matches action, fast for sports, slow for motion blur, then open or close the aperture to maintain the intended depth of field. Once those two are set, increase ISO in small steps, 100 to 200, then 400, only when you cannot reach correct exposure otherwise. Make sure to recheck histogram and highlights once stable. Lock settings and shoot a test frame, reviewing sharpness and noise. You finish by fine-tuning exposure and validating results. Check the histogram and highlight alerts to confirm no clipped highlights. Adjust exposure in 1/3 stop steps for precision. If lighting varies, bracket shots with +/1 EV so you have options. When problems arise, underexposure, blur, or noise, diagnose. Increase ISO first for static subjects, open aperture if depth allows, or slow shutter only when motion permits. Otherwise, add fill light. Keep notes on settings so you...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.